Hey guys, this is Mike from Product Management, and I wanted to talk a little bit about protecting data inside of cloud applications. So if you have a cloud app that stores files, we'll talk about unstructured data first and then focus on structured data in the next discussion. Say you have an app like Salesforce that allows you to store files, and apps like O365, or a dedicated app like Box that does the same thing. You may be concerned about the sensitivity of the data as it moves up to the cloud or gets created there. And so sometimes you want a gateway in between this and an end user to actually protect the data. So if I'm a user down here and I create something that's very sensitive and I upload it to one of these apps, that may be okay, but that also might not be okay. And certain times you may want to protect the data from these actual applications themselves with your own keys. So we can tie in to HSMs or key management services to actually encrypt the data with your own keys before it lands in the app. So if my user down here creates a file, puts it up there in the application, we'll actually encrypt the file as it passes through the Bitglass proxy or via API integrations, depending on how you want to deploy, so that the content is protected inside of these applications. And so what that means is that you can do things like securely share a file. So if I move a file up here, it's really sensitive and I want to share it to an external party, I can do so. And I can share it to my buddy over here that I'm working with from a business perspective. He can take that file, and much like a encryption solution for email, we can be taking them to a portal where they log in and create an account. We verify that this is their correct email, and then we're able to securely decrypt the file for them. So almost similar to a registration that you get in something like a Cisco Iron Port type flow. Now what you're getting here is management of the keys with your HSM, protection of the data while in the application, and then still an ability to share the content outside. Also, if you download the content and you're still coming through the proxy, so you take this back and take it back down to a different PC and one of your buddies at your work that also needs to look at the document, it's automatically decrypted on the fly. So from a use case perspective, we can support external sharing as well as internal sharing, all while protecting the data inside of the cloud. Thank you.